Welcome to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Today's recipe is Khasta Atta Aloo Nashta, flaky layers on the outside, a flavorful potato filling inside. And the best part, you can make a batch and freeze it for later. Let's create this crunchy delight together. In a mixing bowl, add 1½ cup flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ tablespoon oil. Mix until the flour is evenly coated. Pour 120 ml water. Bring everything together into a smooth dough. Apply a little oil and let it rest. Now for the filling, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add ½ teaspoon crushed cumin, ½ teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon green chili. Whole spices release more aroma when crushed fresh. Add ½ teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons boiled green peas. Adding peas gives both color and texture to the filling. 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Mash and combine until the mixture becomes flavorful and smooth. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. And let it cool. Now take some dough. And roll the dough. Prepare a slurry using 1 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon oil. Spread it evenly over the surface. Spread the slurry evenly for better layers. Fold the dough. And cut as shown. Take a portion. Place the potato filling inside and fold gently. Allow the filling to cool before shaping. Flatten slightly to create the perfect snack shape. At this stage, you can freeze them in a Ziploc bag for up to 1 to 2 months or fry them right away. Freezer-friendly snacks save time on busy days. Heat oil over medium flame. Fry until deeply golden, crisp, and beautifully layered. Maintain medium heat while frying for maximum crispness. Homemade snacks let you control the quality of ingredients. Potatoes and peas create a filling combination. Fresh herbs and spices add flavor naturally. Batch preparing snacks can reduce reliance on processed food. Your Khasta Atta Aloo Nashta is ready, crispy layered and packed with delicious flavor in every bite. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more creative snacks, freezer-friendly recipes and homemade favorites.